Alright guys, new year, new name change. And finally got a name that's not just a bunch of random letters and numbers. And if you follow me on social media, you're already aware of the new name. So, Wheels with Marty is it. This is the first video of the new year. If you're looking for a plate for your German car, European car, anything like that, you can actually get it same place. There's a guy named German Plate Guy here outside of Atlanta. He has them. Sells you the stickers and everything. Let's jump right into the video and I'll show you guys what you need and how to go about putting this on the front of your car. Alright guys, so today's video is about the German tag from German Plate Guy here outside of Atlanta. And I'm shooting this video today in a new format here, trying to use S-Log 3 on a Sony ZV-E10 and trying to make sure it's all focused right, and it's kind of hard to tell the colors, and seeing all these zebras and stuff pop across the screen, it's making this something I'm not used to, so sorry if this is crappy, but we're trying to take it to the next level here. So anyway, here it is. German Plate Guy, I found him online. Some of the groups I'm in actually had said that the person has these plates. And this is the one we got. So this is going to be for the SQ7. They're not putting it on the R8. So it actually came with a Berlin registration sticker, which they have to scrape off. So that is not there, but I ordered a Munich one. So we got the Munich one, and it comes with the year on it. And you can see it's got the Deutsch on it. I also ordered, there's a sticker, the registration sticker here. So it's, yeah, it comes with the sticker to put it on the car if you want. So also for an American car, oh, I got the bolt kit too. So make sure you get that. And it's actually all in German as well, the writing on that. If that'll, I don't know if that'll focus on that or not. There you are. So you can kind of see that there. So again, this is all in German. Got the registration sticker for the year, and on the tag you can see it better there. I got the German, the Bavaria, Munich. So again, this is the tag. Also get the plate cover. So this goes in here. This is how you're going to mount it to your American cars. So sorry about this video, guys, if it looks crappy. Again, I'm using a different format here, trying to play with this a little bit. New year, trying to make, you know, get all the content looking better and more crispy, more cinematic looking. Even though for vlogs you don't really need that, but we're going to try it. So anyway, we're going to sit you guys down right here. I'm also using this Joby tripod, which I am hating this Joby tripod right now. This thing is absolutely terrible right now. Show you guys what it looks like on the car and how I mount it. And this should be a good shot right here, so you should be able to see pretty much everything I'm going to be doing. Alright, so we got the plate, and you take this bottom piece, it looks like, and you just kind of pop that off. The plate's going to slide in there. Looks like this maybe. And it's just going to mount right on there like that. So let's see what kind of stuffs we need here to mount this. And this thing has got all kinds of stuff on it here. I hope I have the right stuff to mount this. I'm going to use these holes right here to mount it. Yeah, I do. Because I can't put it down here. Yeah, we're going to mount it right here like this with these holes right here. Alright. So we're going to take screw it comes with. It doesn't come with this. I bought the screw kit, the plate kit, as well as the mounting bracket, because the mounting bracket, you can't buy this plate and put it directly onto the you can't buy it and put it straight onto the car. You have to have the mounting plate bracket thing here for it. I wonder if those come out. Oh, you know what? Oh, let me find out if this works this way. I wonder if I'm supposed to take this plate right here off. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. I think this is the American plate and mounting bracket, and I think that behind this there may be the European one. Look at that. Just take that off, you don't even need that at all. What's that on there for? Does not tell you what's the top and what's the bottom. Yes, a drill could have been faster, but I feel like a drill also can strip out this plastic. You gotta be very careful if you're using a drill. I've learned that the hard way on these Audis. Using a drill to mount a plate. I had to buy a whole new like special adapter kit for the rear on a car. It was not this one, I don't think either. I think it was the Q4 maybe. Maybe it was the other R8. I can't remember exactly. It was one of those. I had to buy an adapter kit just because I messed it up. But I tightened it down too much. There's not anything that signifies top or bottom, so I hope I'm putting it on the right way. Alright. This is going to slide up in those holes, just like that. It's going to clip in. Now this piece, is it going like that or is it going like this? Yeah, it definitely goes this way. So you're gonna, there's a little slot and you gotta bend this into that slot like that. And now you can push all those in. And there you have it. Your authentic German plate on your German vehicle. Check it out. Fits very nicely. You can see it's got the German, the München. Registration, the year. Authentic. Look at that. Somewhere somebody doesn't have a plate in Germany. Don't ask, don't tell. There it is though, look at that. And that bracket fits on there perfect. I mean, this is like, yes. It looks very nice on there. It doesn't overhang onto this, like you can see dirt in here. That's from the American plate. It covers up a lot of the grill, and this just makes it not so much covered and makes it look so much cleaner. All right, Michelle, go look at it. Tell me what you think about it.
What's with ugly videos of me today?
Ugly videos of you today.
Yay!
What do you think?
I like it.
Huh?
So I like it.
Why are you being shy?
I'm not being shy. I'm cold.
Cold, get the heat on.
Yep, now we can move to Germany. It's official.
Move to Germany?
Yep.
What?
Let's move to München.
Move to München. Alright guys, that's the video for today. Again, this is the new channel name, Wheels with Marty. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. At the time of this video is being filmed, we are over 4,000 subscribers already. We have skyrocketed in December. I mean, we've got like over, like I just started really focusing on YouTube this year and really started trying to change up my effort. I watched something with Mr. Beast and talking about like each video you make needs to be better than the last one, even if it's one thing. I started implementing that in December and I gained 3,000 something followers. My YouTube wasn't really doing as hot as some other social media. Now it is. This is great. So thank you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe to the video. If you have any questions about the plate, comment down below. Like and subscribe, share the video. I'll be posting on social media also. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. If you want the plate, hit me up. I'll let you know. See ya. Bye.